Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers and learners. How are you? Hope you all are doing great. Alhamdulillah, I am fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. And this is Kausar in front of you. I am a student of Government Tularam College. Right now, I am in a public place, and this is a wonderful public place in Naranganj district. And right now, I am here at Sheikh Russell Nagar Park in Naranganj, Babural to be more exact. And today, I am super excited, and I am over the moon right now because today I am with a special person. He is he's a fluent speaker as well as a content creator, and that is why I'm so happy. And he is none other than Forosh Sarkar. So, brother, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing fantastically well. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. So, after coming here, how do you feel right now?
Well, I'm feeling so excited, and it's really great to be here with you. And as you can see, we are trying to say something about ourselves, and it's really a beautiful morning. And although it's a foggy morning and it's so cold, right?
Okay, thanks for that. Sound great. Actually, let me know you one thing that a couple of days ago I called Forosh and said that Forosh, how about making a video together? And then he said, okay, brother, no problem. So Forosh is very well known in Naranganj district. Actually, he is making videos since last few months. I mean, as I know. So Forosh, when did you start your learning English journey?
Okay, I started my journey before 9 months ago. I mean, earlier this year, I went to my native area in Sunamganj, and over there I made an English video. And that video gave me so much confidence, and later when I uploaded that video to my Facebook profile, some of my friends and some of my relatives really appreciated that video, and their encouragement makes me feel good, and that time I take learning English seriously, and that's when I started my journey.
Okay, that sounds great.
Yeah.
Let's talk about your hometown Sunamganj. What's your hometown famous for?
Well, my hometown is famous for its huge area, huge land, which is used for cultivating. I mean, paddy is famous. I mean, paddy is all over Bangladesh. Paddy is famous, and my hometown is famous for its natural beauty. I mean, there are so many good places available in Sunamganj, and most of the visitors from Bangladesh, they like to go Sunamganj in order to spend their vacation, and that is why my hometown is famous. And I'm really proud to be a boy of Sunamganj district, although now I live in Naranganj, and I have been living here for the last 10 years, so that's why I really miss my native area. But when I get some time, when I get a vacation, that time I try to visit my native area because I really love my roots and I really love my native area.
Okay, what's your opinion about Naranganj district?
It's a good city, but sometimes we face so many problems because it has so much population. Like when we go somewhere, that time we can't move easily because there are so much traffic, so many people available on the street for all the time. So that is why sometimes I feel like I don't feel comfortable when I come outside. But overall, it's good because I have been living here for the 10 years, and this city already given so much to me. So that's why I really love my city, and overall, it's a good city.
Okay, after student movement, we know that the traffic jam is increasing day by day. So, what's your opinion about traffic jam in Naranganj district?
Well, it's a big problem. I can give you one example. Like 2 weeks earlier, I went to Dhaka, and like from Chashara to Signboard, that took maybe like more than an hour for going from Chashara to Signboard. So it shows that how difficult and how big the problem is. And I hope that our Naranganj City Corporation's people will look into this matter because it's a very big problem for those who live in Naranganj, and as I said, it's a big problem for our city.
Okay.
Yeah.
My dear viewers, as you can see that we are making video in a public place, and you should always keep in mind that if you want to fluent in English, you have to make video in public place. Otherwise, it will not possible to be a good speaker. So thanks for watching this video. If you love this video, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel. As well as I want to mention Forosh Sarkar. He has a YouTube channel as well as a Facebook page. So let's move on his Facebook page as well as his YouTube channel and subscribe his YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.